If you are interested in anything game dev related, please hear me out on this video. I'm going to share with you the #1 piece of advice that led me to releasing my first game on itch.io within the first week of learning anything game dev related. So first, real quick, let me know if this sounds like you. Years ago, when I very first heard about game dev and the whole process, I wanted to learn it, I wanted to get into it. So I would search, what is the best game engine? Learn everything I could about said game engine, try to watch a 4 to 8 hour long tutorial, get burnt out, bored, and give up. Pick it back up later, learn everything I could about Blender because that's a modeling software to make 3D games, got bored, burnt out, and I quit. Now fast forward to about a month ago, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I did differently this time that led me to quickly releasing a game and learning the most that I ever have about game development. I stopped analyzing so much and I just jumped in and started doing. And I don't mean don't look up anything, don't try to figure out what's best for you. Of course, maybe spend a day in the analytical process figuring out what route you should be taking. But after that, just pick a tutorial for a short game, jump into it. This is exactly what I did. I tried to deviate when I could. Where I couldn't deviate, I just tried to understand what the person in the video was doing as best as I could. I tried to maybe solve problems differently than they did. And then after the tutorial was done, I added my own features. I would look up smaller tutorials on how to do this, how to do that, add features at the end. And I had learned so much in that week of game development that now I'm taking on bigger projects, moving on to 3D games, learning a little bit of Blender. I just dove right into Blender instead of feeling like I have to learn every small little detail before I get started. So long story short, don't overanalyze. Don't feel like you have to be perfect with every little thing you're doing. Just jump in, make mistakes, learn from them, and get that first game out.